Hi guys, welcome to Twitter's funny channel. Today I am going to teach point of sale system step by step part 27 tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to teach the quantity updation part of point of sale system. Okay, let me log in the system first. Here notice that this will be the invoice number. It is automatically generated at above. Here enter the item number and here quantity. If you enter the quantity here each and every time, you notice that these are the quantity. Okay, here one is, let me back to our database. This will be our database. One ID 1 will be belongs to TOS 22 LED TV. Now we have a quantity. We have currently have a stock 100 stock. If you enter the quantity here 2, the quantity will be reduced. Now the current stock will be 98. Again the same as well as if you enter the ID number 3, item number 3, it belongs to this AC 200 AC. Here we have current stock, we have 100 quantity. If you enter the quantity over here or over here, after that press the print button, the quantity will be reduced, and here show the quantity here 10 mean 90. Okay, the each and every time you enter the items and quantity will be reduced. Okay, once a customer buy the items, the each and every items buy, the quantity will be reduced. Okay, so let me see how to do this one. Okay, now here all stock we have 100 quantity. Okay, so I already write the program for the updation here. This is our form design of point of sale system. Here you notice that this is our grid view. Now let me double click the format back to our coding view. Here what I am going to do is, here I am going to make the new method which is a update. Okay, you can call this write this method anywhere of the coding view before the method, the sales load method. Okay, before the method you can write, because this is the own method you are going to create now. Okay, what is the purpose of create the own method is, you can create the method once, you can create the method once, you can call that method anywhere of the program. That is the purpose of you are creating the own method. Okay, I already created the method which is here, public update. This one I copy this one, sorry, and paste it here. Okay, I explain now. This is the method I wrote here, public void and update db. This is the method name. The method is belongs to the access specifier which is a public. Public mean you can access this update method anywhere of the program, this program. Okay, so here update, within the update I wrote first the for loop. Okay, here wrote the for loop, one for loop. Here this is the initialization variable row. Here it's equal to 0, it's starting from 0. Row less than data grid count, the rows dot count mean if you enter the items each and every time it will be counted. Okay, that is the purpose of here. If you write the data grid view rows dot count mean, here back to our design view here, if you enter the items here, once you enter here, again enter here, again enter another rows, again enter, you keep on entering the row by row the items, it is counting. Okay, that is the purpose of you are writing the for loop here. Each and every time you are counting the values. Okay, here what I wrote is, here after that within the for loop I started here, I ended here. Okay, the method we are starting here is the ended. Okay, here you have to be careful when you are writing the method. When you start the method, you should close the method at the end. After that I wrote the for loop. I started here, closed here, okay, before the method. Okay, after that what I did is I created two string variables. One is item number, another one is item quantity. Okay, after that I equal into the relevant data grid view. Okay, the data grid view rows mean rows, there will be the property which is a default property rows. You can write like this here. Data grid view one mean this belongs to this one. Here data grid view 1 mean this is the data grid view name which is I gave here. Data grid view 1 dot, there will be the predefined property which is a rows. You can get here from this list rows. Okay, rows within the bracket you pass this row, looping row here, variable here, dot cell 1 mean this is coming from the cell number 1. Cell number 1 mean this is ID mean I already explained this scenario in my previous videos. Here data grid view, it is starting from the database 0 position. After that position 1, position 2 is called as array, position 3 like this, position 4, here position 5. Okay, here 0, this one is 1, this one is 2, this one is 4, sorry, this one is 3, this one is 4, this one is called as 5. Okay, this how data will be passed into the our data grid view. Okay, I hope you understood this stuff clearly. If you have any confusion about this tutorial, please ask me the doubt anytime. Okay, let me moving to our coding part. So here cell number 1 mean it belongs to the item number, dot value to string we are converting. Okay, converting mean when you entering the integer value, integer, it would be convert as a string. Okay, here I saw that I put here as a toString method. Okay, you must convert. Okay, so now when is display the data grid view cell number 1 mean this one like this. If you show the demo like this, if you enter the item number 2, if you enter the item number this one, this number is go and store the variable which is a item number. Okay, because data grid view 1 rows equal cell number 1 mean belongs to item number this one. The item number will be 1, the item number will 1 will be, this will be the output 1, sorry, shall be the item number will be 1. I entered this 1 will be store put into this variable, store in this variable. Okay, this when you enter the 1 here, this is going to store in this variable item number 1. Okay, again I am going to enter another value that is much easier to understand for you all. Here if you enter the 3, enter the quantity as 10, the 3 goes to the variable which is an item number, pass into the variable which is a item number. Here store is 3 is stored under the item number variable. Okay, I hope you understood this one up to this. After that, the same as item quantity shall be moving to our this one, our executed program. Here the quantity I enter 10, so 10 is 0 1 2 3, the position 3. So here the position 3 I put here. The position 3, whatever you enter the value will be passed into the variable which is item quantity. Okay, now I enter here 3 will be my ID, sorry, item number 3, the quantity will be 10. I pass into these variables. Okay, so I hope you understood this. I relevant to this data grid. Okay, I equal into this the data grid into this variable. Whatever you enter in this data grid cell, the data will be passed into the relevant variable. Okay, this will be passed into this relevant variable, this will be passed into this variable. Okay, now let me move into this part again. I created one variable, string variable, which is t. Okay, I just created the variable t equal into, I wrote small query here, select all from product. Select all from product mean, go to our product database table. This is our product table. Okay, here what I wrote is here, select all from products mean select all the fields from the product tables. After that you go to the another condition. I wrote where ID. What's the where ID mean? What do you think about this? Select all from products, where ID mean in this, these are called as each and every columns. This is represent all the one as a columns. Here where ID mean it's finding the column number where ID. This one will be the ID column. Okay, so select all from the products table, where the ID mean it select the ID column. This will be the ID. This is the appropriate one for the ID column. After that, plus here this write like this. Okay, some like this. Efficient way to write: single quotation, double quotation, single quotation. Within the quotation you enter 2 plus. After that, at the end you have to pass one colon mark to end the statement. Within this statement you have to pass this item number here. That's how this is the efficient way to write the program like this. Okay, please keep in your mind. Okay, I got one error. Okay, here I have to put starting from one double quotation mark. I didn't close it so that it show the error again. So now I ended with this colon mark. Okay, now there is no error. Now this item number mean whatever you enter in this here like this. Again I show you. Here whatever you enter the item number store in this cell number 1 will be this one. This is 0 position, this is 1 position. The 1 position whatever enter the data, which is a 1 will be passed into this one, this variable item number. This item number variable I called here, so that what is the item number here passed here? 1. So this row will be affected. This all the row will be selected. This will be belongs to this item. So all the column will be selected. What is the query? Select all from products where ID equal to this column ID, which is a 1, so that this column will be selected. Okay, now what I did is, after that shall we move into the coding part again. After that I created 2 variables, string variables. One is a old quantity, another one is a new quantity. Both are blank here. I said it is a blank. If you write them variable without entering anything else and put this quotation, double quotation mark, it's considered as a blank. Okay, I didn't set any values here. It's both are blank. Okay, if you set like this, like the value, this will be the value. If you put like this is considered as a string, blank string. Okay, I wrote 2 blank string variables. One is a old quantity, another one is a new quantity. Okay, now what I did is, I hope you guys understood so far this lesson. I will be the rest of the part I'm going to explain my next tutorial. If you like my channel, please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.